So, welcome to the video lecture series on aptitude training. This is Dr.K.N.Sivabalan. In today's video lecture, we will be learning about the various division based problems. So, when we talk about division based problems in number systems, this division based problems take a significant role. Now, we will step inside the problem mechanism. We will also learn about the rules of divisibility. Now, when n number has to be divisible by 2, the last number should be 0 or last digit should be 0 or even. When the number has to be divisible by 3, the digital sum should be divisible by 3. That means the summation of individual digits has to be divisible by 3. When the number has to be divisible by 4, the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. When if it is divisible by 5, the last digit should be 5 or 0. When it has to be divisible by 6, we have to take the factors of 6. So, 2 and 3 are factors. So, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. And 7, we have to take the last digit minus original number, then it's 7 divisible. We call it as occlulant. And the 8 divisible is the last 3 digits has to be divisible by 8. And if it is 10 divisible, it should be last digit should be 0. And 11 divisible means the sum of odd digits minus sum of even digits should be 0 or divisible by 11. These are the fundamental divisible rules which we are going to apply in the problematic scenario. Now, which number should replace the star in a number called as 1344 star? Okay, I have to replace the star by some other number so that it can be divisible by 0. So, the condition is the last digit for 2, when last digit when it has to be divisible by 2, maybe 0, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 8. Okay, so any of this number applies. So, when we apply star with 0, we get a number called as 1 0. Okay, this is one number, and another number is we have 13442, and the next number is 13444. And next number is 13446 and 13448. So, these are 5 numbers which can be divisible by 2 in this pattern. So, star can be replaced by any other number out of this 5 numbers. So, 6 can also be replaced. Okay, 6 can also be replaced. Now, this is the answer for this. Any answer out of this is correct. Now, when we go for the next one, we place star and hash so that the number 127 star hash will be divisible by 3. So, the rule for 3 here is the summation has to be divisible by 3. Okay, and I said the word called as minimum. So, minimum means say 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus star. So, star I am not doing anything, star and 3. Then I make hash and this hash plus 4. When I sum it up, so 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 13 plus 4 is 17. So, I get 17 now. Okay. Now, we have to replace the star here, star is on the left side, and now we have to replace hash also, hash is on the right side. Okay. Now, if we apply 1 to it, when we add 1 to it, it will become 18. When we add 1 to it, it will become 18. So, now when we replace this star by 1 and this hash by 0, now this number will be a maximum number, am I right? So, star is actually in an advanced position. So, star when I replace it by 1 and if I replace hash by 0, then it will be a biggest number. Okay, but when we add 1 to it, you will get 18. So, now my question is it has to be a minimum number. Question should be minimum. Okay. Now, the number should be minimum. So, what I have to do is I replace the star by 0 and hash by 1. So, the answer will be 127 0 3 1 4. Now, the summation of this number is 127 will be 10. 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So, 18 is divisible by 3. So, obviously, this number is divisible by 3. So, the number is 1270 314. So, replace A and B in a number where A 579B, so that it will be divisible by 72. Now the factors of 72, now when I take 72, it is equivalent to 8 into 9. That means number should be divisible by 8, and it should be divisible by 9 also. It should be divisible by 9. So we will just go for 8 here. 8 means last 3 digits. So last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So when we take 7, 9, B, okay. So 7, 9 and B. So when we apply 8 here, it goes 9 8s are 72, remaining is 7 and 7B, okay. And 7B, when I apply 1 for B, it will become 7 1. 7 1 is not divisible. When I apply 2 for B, it will become 72. So now when I apply 7 9 2, so B will be is equivalent to 2 here. So this will be divisible by 8 now, okay. Now when we go for A, okay, when we apply for this A, now see here, it has to be divisible by 9. When it has to be divisible by 9, the cumulative sum has to be divisible by 9, okay, the digital sum. So now A plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, okay, plus B. B actually we have replaced B by 2. So it will become 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 9 will be 21, 21 plus 2 will be 23. So 23 plus B. Now this has to be divisible by 9. So 23 plus B, when I apply B is equal to 4, it will become 27. Now 27 is divisible by 9. So B will become 9 now. Sorry, B will become 4 now. So B is actually, A will become 4 and B will become 2. Now this is the mechanism. So A squared is 4 squared. So question has been asked, A squared minus B squared. So A is actually applied 4 squared and B is actually 2. So 2 squared, 16 minus 2. So the answer is 14. So in this case the answer is 14. We will go for the next one. Number in the format 26AB5, which is divisible by 25. So AB is actually multiple of 13. So okay, so 13 into 1 will be 13. That's the multiple. Okay, 13 into 2 will be 26. Okay, so definitely when I apply 26 in this place, 13, 135 will not actually divide this number. When I apply 26 here in this AB, it will not divide this number. Now 13 into 3, 39, okay, 395 will not be divisible by 25. Now 13 into 4 will be 52. Now this number is divisible by 25. So the answer will be 26, 52, 5. So this is the answer. Okay, so this number will be divisible by 25 because they have given a clue that 13 AB is actually a multiple of 13. I will go for the next one. So what will be the minimum value of star if the number 3, 4, star 1 to 1 is divisible by 9? So you know that sum of digits should be divisible, sum of digits should be divisible by 9. So 3 plus 4 plus star plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. So what will be the answer now? 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 plus star. Okay. Now what the question has been given? So the summation should be divisible by 9. So when I add 7 to the star, it will become 18. When I add 7 to the star, it will become 18. So star value is equal to 7. So the number here is Okay, because they are asking the minimum number. We are asking the minimum number. Minimum number is actually you can add only 7 to make this number divisible by 9 here. So 3, 4, star is 7, 1, 2, 1. So 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 1 is a number here. I will go for the next one. What will be the value of hash if the number 3, 4 hash 1, 4 is divisible by 6? So 6 factors. 6 have 2 as a factor and 3 as a factor. So 2 into 3. Now if the last number is even, last digit is even, obviously that is divisible by 2. Okay. Now no problem with 2. But when you want to divide by 3, so divide by 3 means the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. I will change the color here. So sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So sum of digits should be divisible by 3. So when we sum it up, 3, 4, 3 plus 4, okay, 3 plus 4 plus hash plus 1 plus 4. Now 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 plus hash. Okay, now I said the answer should be minimum. Okay, answer should be minimum. When we substitute this hash with 0, then obviously it will be 12 now. Okay, 12 is already divisible by 3. So 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. So now hash value can be replaced by 0 here. So the answer is 3, 4, 0, 1, 4. Okay, now let us check whether it is divisible by 6. Okay, now 6 5s are 30, remainder is 4. 4 plus 0, 40, 6 6 are 36, remainder is 4, then it goes to 41, 6 6 are 36, remainder is 5, 5 4, 9 6 are 54. So exactly this number is divisible by 6 now. So 3 4 0 1 4 is a number. What will be the minimum value of star if number 1 3 4 0 star 2 2 divisible by 18? So 18 have 2 factors, one is called as 2 and another is called as 9. When the last digit is divisible by 2, then obviously 2 can divide the number. So there is no problem with 2. But we have to check for 9. 9, they said it has to be a minimum number. So now the cumulative answer, sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Okay. Now in this case we will try to divide this by 9 now. Okay. Now in this case, so when we make 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus star plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12. Now the number has to be divisible by 9 now. Okay, now 12 plus star has to be divisible by 9. So when I apply 6 to this number, it will become 18. So I substitute 6 for the star. So it will become 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So the answer here is 134 6 2 2 is an answer. So this is the number which is divisible by 18 now. So we will go for the next one. Now what will be the value of hash if number 14 hash 243 is divisible by 33? Now 33 has 2 factors, 3 and 11. Okay, 3 and 11. Now what is the rule for 11 here? 11 is actually, we can apply 11 total digits of, now see here, 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. I have one hash element here. Okay. Now this entire result has to be divisible by 3. Now 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. Okay. Now when I add 1 to this, automatically it will become 15. But now the condition is this number should also be divisible by 11 here. So 11 means what should I do? So now you have to take only the odd digits now. Now odd digits 3, 2 and 4. 3, 2 and 4. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 5 is equal to 9. Now when we take even digits here, 4 plus hash plus 1. So 4 plus hash plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Now if I substitute hash equal to 4 here, when I substitute hash equal to 4, then automatically this will become 9. So 9 minus 9 will become 0. So now we have been calculating for minimum. Okay. So when I substitute, instead of this hash, when I substitute 4, it will become 18. In that case also it is divisible by 33. So now this hash has to be substituted by 4. So we will get an answer called as 1, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3. Why I am not substituting with 1? When I substitute with 1, what will happen is it will be divisible by 3, but it won't be divisible by 11. So I should also take 11 into account. So this entire number will be divisible by 33 at this moment. So 1, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3. What will be the value of star? If 2 star 2, 3, 5, 5, 5 is divisible by 11. So you take only the odd digits now, 5, 3, star. So 5 plus 3 plus star, okay, is equal to 8 plus star. Okay, 8 plus star. Now the second digit, even digits is 5, okay, even digits is 5 plus 2 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay. Now when I want to divide by 9, either odd digit minus even digit should be equal to 0 or divisible by 9 Now when I add star is equal to 1 here, it will also become 9. So 9 minus 9 will be equivalent to 0. So now the answer for this is 2, 0, 2, 3, 5 and 5. Okay. So this is the answer. Well, this will be divisible by 11 here. When a number is divided by 240, okay, remainder is 56. If the same number is divided by 12, what will be the remainder? So no need to worry about this. Now please check it out whether this 240 is divisible by 12. So 240 divisible by 12. So it goes 20 times. Exactly it is divisible. Okay. So it goes 20 times. If this number is divisible by 12, no need to bother about that. Now take the remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 56 divided by 12. So how many times it goes? 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48. So the remainder is 8. Okay. So the remainder is 8. 8 is a remainder. It goes 48 up to 48. Remainder is 8. So 8 is called as a remainder here. Now coming to the next one. When a number is divided by 114, remainder is 43. If the same number is divided by 19, what will be the remainder? Now 114, take this 114, 114 divided by 19. Okay. So it goes 6 times. 6 times is called as a quotient. It goes 6 times. So it is divisible by 19. So when this number is divisible by 19, now you can take this 19 and divide this remainder. So 43 divided by 19, it goes 2 19s are 38. So remainder is 5 is the remainder. So this case 5 is the remainder. So the answer is 5. When a number is successively divided by 4, 5, 7, leaves the remainder 0, 1, 3. What is the number? Okay. So now see here, we are going to successively divide a number. Successfully divide the number means 4, 5, 7. So when the question is asked like this, you always take the greatest divisor. What is the greatest divisor here? 7 is called as the greatest divisor. So when you divide a number by 7, so what will be the answer? Let us assume 7k, and what is the remainder here? It will be 3. Okay, now I substitute this k is equal to 1. So it will become 7 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now next what you are doing, you have to divide the number by 5. So 5 and take this number called as 10. So 5 into 10, and when you divide by 5, what will be the remainder? 1 is the remainder. So 5 into 10 is 50, 50 plus 1 is 51. Now third step, you take this number called as 4. Okay, now substitute this number called as 51. So 4 into 51 plus, when you divide by 4, what is the remainder? It is 0. So 0. 4 into 51 is 204. So the answer is 204. Now how will you cross verify this answer? Now when you take this 204, first try to divide it by 4. Okay. Now remainder is 0. Now what will be the quotient? Quotient will be 51. Okay. Now divide this 51 by 5. Okay. Now remainder is 1. What will be the quotient now? Quotient will be 10. Now take this 10, divide by 7. What will be a remainder? Remainder will be 3. Quotient will be 1. So the answer is right. So we have been left out with remainder called as, when we divide by 4, it is 0. When we divide by 5, it is 1. And when we divide by 7, it is 3. So obviously the answer is right. Now again, we have the problem on the same pattern. When a number is successively divided by 2, 3, 6, leaves the remainder 0, 2, 1, 1. What is the number? Now as usual, you take the biggest divisor. Biggest divisor is 6k plus, and what is the remainder? Remainder when you divide by 6 is 1. So now substitute k is equal to 1. So 6 plus 1, it will become 7. Okay. Now next number is 3. When you divide it, you get 2 as a remainder. So take this 3 and take this number called as 7. So 3 into 7 plus 2. So 3 into 7 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. Now next divisor is actually 2. Okay. Now 2 into, take this number called as 23. So 2 into 23 plus 0. Okay. So 2 into 23 is 46. So the number is 46. Now we will cross check whether that answer is right or wrong. We will cross check this answer whether it is right or wrong. Now see here. Now 46 divided by 2. What will be the quotient? It will be 23. Remainder is 0. Okay. Now take this quotient 23. Divide by 3. Okay. So quotient will be 7, remainder is 2. Okay. Now take this quotient 7 and divide by 6. Okay. Now quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Okay. Now you get the remainder. So when the number is divided by 2, remainder is 0. When the same number is next successively divided by 3, it is remainder is 2. When again it is divided by 6, remainder is 1. So obviously this answer is right. Okay. So that's about it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.